Hello everyone. So today we are going to create a Europass CV free. So you just have to create an account here. So it shows thank you for registering. You need to register first, then you need to log in again with your same email ID. So I have just registered that, and it shows thank you for registering, and you will receive an email allowing you to complete the registration process. So I will check my email ID now. Here I have the mail here. It shows that you have been registered to EU login. So this is my email ID, and then to create a password, follow the link this, and then I will link is to and paste in your browser to verify. So I will just click here on this link to verify it. Yeah. So I will create a new password here for me. Okay. So after typing my password, a new password here. So I will hit submit. Your password cannot contain your first name. Okay. So I have to use a different password. Uh, Now I'm using a different password and hit the enter. Then it shows that your login password was successfully changed, and now I can click on proceed below. So I can go here as well. I can just click login and I will sign in. So it will refresh for a while. If you are not automatically redirected, please click here and to access the your login. You are logged into your login successfully. So it will take some time to load. You just have to wait. Not as of now. Yes. So here I will just hit to create my profile from here, or I can also do upload my Europass CV from here. So let's choose this option first. So I will select a CV from here and I will save it. Yeah, this one is not match the requirements. Okay, so for that I will go ahead and create my new profile. Just click here and then I will select my. I will submit my personal information first, then work experience, then education and training, and personal skills. So in personal information, there are multiple languages. Select the language in which you want to create your profile. So English. So select date format. So this is the correct date format as well. So I will enter my first name and my last name, my date of birth, month. This is not actually my date of birth, so I'm just randomly selecting the dates here. Okay, so I can select any of the dates from here. So I will also select randomly any uh, date from here as well, right? So select the gender, nationality. So I am from India, so I will select Indian. So you can also add if you are from any other country as well. So then if you want to add your phone number, you can add that as well. So just click on the select the country from here because for the code plus 91 is for India, and then type your phone number. If you want to add, you can add that as well, but that's fine. So type of address home. So for example, I will just randomly give any address. Right. So and I will also just randomly give the postcode and city as well, and I will select country. from the list. Okay, then I will hit next. Right now, it's asking me to describe your work experience. You can include paid work, volunteer internships as well, apprenticeship, I don't know, freelancing and other activities as well. So for your new work experience, occupational position you held currently, what you like, in which profile you are working. So I will go ahead and I will type just um, customer support, customer support executive. Okay, so customer support executive is customer experience manager or customer. So we have to find here. Let's see. Yeah, so employer is, for example, any company you can name, for example, right? So I will give name of the company here. So I will select a different city for the company as well, right? And I will select country from here, right? Then I will go ahead and start the date on which date I joined the company. So I can say, for example, one. So I can say March, and I started, for example, in 2022. And currently, I'm working ongoing. So if I'm ongoing, then I will highlight this button here. And main activities and responsibilities that you have. So in this company, if you, what are your main responsibilities, and what are your main what is your main job description. So I just have uploaded here, so I can go ahead and I will go to my LinkedIn and I will just copy paste from here. I will go directly here, then I will copy paste here, right? So I just copied here. So I will add a new, for example, I will add a new. So for example, civil engineer from my previous company, right? And occupation description, add more. So you can also add that as well, right? Then employee was, for example, any name you can give here, right? Then city, right? Then select the country. You will select country as well, and starting date. So your starting date, for example, one month will be, for example, June, right? And year will be 2020, and you ended your work here in this company. You have to mention that date as well, right? So March or Feb, then you have to keep in mind 2022. And then what are your responsibilities in this company. You have, again, I will go to my LinkedIn and I will copy my skills and the work description from here, and I will add one more if I want to, right? So I will add customer support, customer care now, customer care executive, right? Then I will say Oyo rooms, and I will say Gurgaon, Then I will select country India, right? And when did I join that? For example, I joined at 14th of Feb, so I will click 2020, and I ended it for only worked it only up to 6 months, so or 5 months. So I will go ahead and give the details as well. So I will go back again to the LinkedIn and copy my JD, and then I will go and press the next button. Oh, education is required here now. Work experience is done. Personal information is done. Now, education and training. So, title of qualification awarded, new education and training experience, for example. So, master's degree, new education and training experience. So, it was for master's, or you can say MTech, and organization providing the education training. So, Alpha University. I'm just choosing the random, and you can just go to the Chrome and search for university website. Alpha University. Yeah, I will copy the link from here, and then I will enter, type it here. And city, the city in which it is located, so Faridabad. So country, I will select country here, India. Then I joined this on 14, for example, on August and 2020. Yeah, no, 2019. So I will say 31st. I will say May. I will, yeah, May. Then 2022, right? So I can add a new. So BTech. So Kurukshetra University, right? Website. Kurukshetra University. Yeah. When I will type its city name and then enter its country. That's India. When did I join this university? So I joined, for example, 12. For example, I joined this on 8th month, and I joined this on 1 low 15. Then I completed this, for example, on November 30. So I will go ahead and give the month November and 19. So I will add that as well. And if I want to add more, I can add that as well. But if I don't want, then I will go ahead and I will enter next. So mother tongue, now personal skills. So you have to mention your mother tongue, Kashmiri or Urdu, or you can say that as well, Urdu, right? So if Kashmiri is here, then yeah, Urdu. Add another mother tongue, Kashmiri, right? And another mother tongue, Pahari. Okay. So other language, English, English, yeah. Listening. I'm proficient. Speaking, better. Spoken pronunciation better. Writing skill better than that. Okay. I will add one mother other Hindi as well. Okay. Then I will go ahead. Digital skills. So Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint, Google Drive, social media, Microsoft Excel. So I will go ahead, add this. Then I will product manager. Then I will go ahead and Unity. Then I will go ahead and AutoCAD. Then I will go ahead and ArchiCAD. BIM, customer support. So that's enough as of now. So groups your skills. I will go ahead and create. Then if you want to add your photo, you can add that as well. Just go ahead and click select for the photos. So I will go ahead and add my photo as well. So I have added my photo as well. So I need to change this, delete from here. Then I will go ahead and again select a different photo, right? Okay. So I will go ahead and save. So these are the skills. Add new section if you want. If you don't want, then you can go ahead, and if you want to change anything from here from your end, you can do that as well. So you can do this when you're not okay. So I will see the option to say the, so this is your CV through Europass. This is how you will create a free uh, CV. So now you can see here, you can click on create a CV now. So click on here, start your profile. So you have to select all of it, select the entire profile from here, right? Then you need to hit the next button. Then it shows that you want to edit the information before creating your CV. No thanks. So now from here you can choose your template. So how you want your CV. So this is the template for that. Some of the free templates you have here. So if you want this one, just click here and it will reflect here. Your CV will reflect here. I guess this is better than the previous one. So yeah. So okay, so I will also check this one. The template is here, so you can see this is not as good as this is here. So you can also do one thing, you can also choose the colors from here, but this color here is perfect for your CV by default, and then you need to click on next. After clicking next, it will start loading and it will start creating your CV on the same format and same template that you have chosen. So here is your CV of Europass free CV. Now you can see here all the details are mentioned here, and if you want to download it, just click on download and it will show you the PDF here. The downloaded PDF is here. I hope you like this video, and it will help you to create your CV in future as well. So I will click in finish from here. So I will check the CV here. So here is the CV that I have created just. So there are 3 pages for the CV, as you can see. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.